In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to create a beautiful, clickable thumbnail for your YouTube videos. As we all know that our thumbnail is very important for our YouTube video. It is something that when people come to our channel and they see it, how attractive, how clickable it is going to make them to click on our videos and watch it. Also, I have a bonus tips for you, and the bonus tip is how to remove the background of your picture, so you don't want to miss any part of this video. So let's dive into the tutorial. So like I said, we'll be using Canva. So this is Canva on my phone already. I click on it, so it will bring us to this interface. Here you type YouTube thumbnail. So when you type YouTube thumbnail, it will bring out different types of thumbnail. There's pro version, there's free version. So here I am using free version of thumbnail here. So I'm searching for the one I'm going to use right now. So okay, I think I've seen one right there. So yes, okay, I click on one already. So let's use this one. So now next thing is to edit the text. So you edit the text to whatever you want to put on that text, like any of your write-up that you want to be there. So now I want to type how to, let's wait for it. Okay, yeah. So now I want to type how to start a YouTube channel. But as you can see, there is just a little space there, but I'm going to show you how you will expand it so that it will be able to accommodate more text that you want to put here now. So now I think you see how to start. So I still want to expand it. So I bring down the ideas so that I will have more space to write whatever I want to write up there. Okay. So now I'll write how to start a YouTube. Yeah. So now after I type how to start a YouTube, I'll move it up. Yeah, I'll be moving it up now so that it will not okay, so that there'll be space in between how to start a YouTube and the ideas. So now I'm going to edit the ideas also. So channel, you can see that the letter here is so big that it won't fit into what I want to write there, so I need to reduce it. So how do I do that? Okay, just watch and see. So I will go to the size of the text. So I'm going to reduce it here to the size I want it to be. Okay, yeah, so that it will I will have more space to input my remaining text. So the up one, I want to make sure it fits in more, to be on the straight line, so that there will be more space. Okay, then I'll go back to the channel now after I place it very well. Okay, so here I will write okay, so YouTube channel, how to start a YouTube channel in 2025. As you can see that I even when I first opened this template, the text is not as much as this, so I've made sure that I expand it so that it will accommodate more text. So this is how to do it, very simple. So now we go to the picture aspect now. So I want to input the picture here right now. So I'll go to my gallery to select the picture I want to use. Remember I told you I'll be giving you bonus on this tutorial, and the bonus is how to remove the background of your picture. So now you can see the picture I input now, that the background is there, but I don't want the background to be there. So we need to remove the background of the picture so that it will make it look more presentable without the background. So we are going to be heading over to our Chrome browser right now. So we type remove background. So you click on it. So it will bring you to this interface. Then you click on the first one, remove BG. So when you click on it, it's going to open. So when it opens like this, so you close this one, you click on that one, you close it, then you upload, you click on the upload image. So you go to your gallery. So the picture that we upload before, we are going to upload the picture now to remove the background. So here is the picture. Yeah, so you click on it. So it's going to remove the background of that picture for us. So it doesn't take time. Yeah, perfect. So as you can see now, the background of the picture is gone. So then you click on the blue arrow, then you download it. So after you download it, then we can now go back to our Canva, so we can go and finish our the rest of the thumbnail. So now it's loading. Let's wait for it. It's the network right there. Now it has opened. Then you click on it. So when you click on the picture icon, so it will take you to gallery. Let's wait for it. Yes. So I'm searching for the gallery right now. Okay. So I'll have to go back. Okay, here is the gallery. So when you click on it, so we now go and input the current picture that we remove the background. So here is the picture. So as you can see right now that the background of the picture has been removed, and it makes it look more presentable. So this is how to do your thumbnail. Very simple, right? So you can try it out and see. So if there's anything that you don't understand in this video, let me know in the comment section so that I can easily talk about it. Then I will answer. I will even respond to your question immediately. So as you can see, this is how to do it. You can use any style to do your own, like the way you want it to be. So but this is the basic one, how to do your thumbnail. Thank you for watching. So now that you know how to create that clickable thumbnail for your YouTube videos, I will implore you to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more beginner friendly tips on how to grow your YouTube channel. See you in the next one.